This is Google Pixel 7a, and today I would like to show how you can check your data usage on this device. So firstly, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the Network and Internet category. If you would like to see your Wi-Fi usage, go for the Internet section, then open the non-carrier data usage page. On the other hand, if you would like to see your cellular or mobile data usage, get back to the main Network and Internet page, go for the SIMs, and over here at the very top you can see the general amount of mobile data you have used, and if you'll go for the app data usage, you will also see more detailed statistics as well. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.